Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Mamta and I make lifestyle based videos, and I hope you like watching this video so that you can subscribe to the channel and you and I will have a relationship then, and you will be watching my videos multiple times a week. Yeah, that's the plan. As you know already, some of you may know already that I have a habit of trying new brands and stuff, and I come up here, share my experience and my review with you people. So today I am going to share one of my facial at home experience. So if you are interested, please go watching this video. So I tried Lotus HERBALS Radiant Glow Revitalizing Effect for a great skin glow. So this small facial pack I have used, and it says it is 100% 24K gold. It is for cellular glow. It is a cellular glow facial kit for all skin types, as it mentioned on the box at least, and it has 4 simple steps. So I am going to talk about the steps, then I'm going to talk about how was my experience and would I buy this product again or not. So a lot of you must be confused about facials during this time, because festive season है, सबको glow करना है, चमकना है, लेकिन parlor जाना is still a little risky. People are taking precautions and people are doing things normally, but there is still like a tiny bit of skepticism, I would say. So आप लोगों के दिमाग में भी चल रहा होगा कि घर पे facial करें ना करें, how effective it is and blah blah blah. So the first step is the Radiant Glow Cleansing Scrub. इसमें ऐसा कहीं भी मेंशन नहीं है कि आपका फेस पहले आपको अपने नॉर्मल क्लेंजर से धोना है या नहीं धोना है, बट मैंने जस्ट फॉर दी बिकॉज इट मेंशन इट्स अ क्लेंजिंग स्क्रब, तो मैंने अपना नॉर्मल फेस वॉश से पहले चेहरा धो लिया था. उसके बाद आई अप्लाइड दिस फॉर लाइक गुड 60 to 90 seconds, एंड उसके बाद इन अ वेरी सर्कुलर मोशन. ऑल्सो इसके जो ब्रिसल्स हैं या फिर जो स्क्रब पार्टिकल्स हैं, दे आर अ लिटिल हार्ड, तो जस्ट गो वेरी वेरी जेंटल ऑन योर स्किन. अवॉइड द like eye area because it's extremely sensitive. Scrubber से मुझे इतना कुछ खास फ़र्क पता चला नहीं कि like my skin became some XYZ, so it was just like a normal cleanser scrub. उन दोनों को ही उन्होंने mix कर दिया था, I feel, and it was very creamy. I must say it was very creamy. The last scrubber I liked was Everuse का walnut scrub, if you people know about that. तो मुझे वो पसंद आया था and I liked this one. Also, Lotus is a Indian brand. Nice, no? The next step is the Radiant Gold Activator. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं करना था. It was more like of a serum. You have to take 5 to 7 drops and you have to gently massage your skin for like 2 to 3 minutes. And आपको उसके बाद अपना face साफ नहीं करना है. Then you have to apply their Radiant Glow Massage Cream with Gold Leaves. ये वाली जो क्रीम थी बहुत थिक थी एंड शायद मैंने थोड़ी एक्स्ट्रा ले ली थी, तो मुझे बहुत टाइम लग रहा था कि वो कब एब्जॉर्ब होगी, कब मैं उसको वाइप ऑफ करूँगी, बट उसमें मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा. और इसमें मेंशन भी था कि यू हैव टू मसाज योर नेक एंड फेस फॉर लाइक अबाउट 10 to 15 minutes. आई जस्ट डिड इट विद माई फेस एंड इट वॉज गुड. लाइक अगर आपके घर में आपकी सिस्टर है या मदर है जो आपको हेल्प कर सकती हैं, यू कैन आस्क देम, क्योंकि खुद से मसाज करना थोड़ा सा टायरिंग हो जाता है, so you can ask them to do it for you. And the last part is the Radiant Gold Mask. Now this one says that it is a unique brightening gold mask which reverses the oxidation damage to the inner layers, gives skin gold-like radiance and a revitalizing effect. थोड़ा सा स्टिंग किया था ये मेरे फेस पे. I don't know why, but somewhere here and here. तो वो थोड़ा सा अनईजी लगा मुझे. आई वॉज अ लिटिल स्कैर्ड कि ये इतना ज़्यादा टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन क्यों हो रही हैं, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसे मास्क बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है जिनमें थोड़ा बहुत इत्सी बित्सी जलन होती रहती है. तो that was a 4-step simple facial at home, guys. After I did all the 4 steps, I did not felt any radiant glow, but indeed it's a very 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 4-step deep cleansing process, I would say. और मुझे जो एक चीज़ बहुत पसंद आई, that was their activator. जब मैं उससे मसाज कर रही थी ना, it was so soothing and it was मज़ा आ गया. मतलब I just loved it. So after I was done with these 4 steps, उसके immediately बाद मुझे ऐसा कोई बहुत ज़्यादा यूनिक रेडियंट ग्लो नहीं दिखा अपने चेहरे पे. but after like 4-5 hours जब मैंने अपनी skin को थोड़ा time दिया, then I felt कि okay, like my apples are shining a little more, and I think facial का सबसे like plus point ये रहता है कि उसका जो actual effect होता है वो 2 या 3 दिन में दिखता है. So I saw that and I liked it. Like after the next morning I felt that my skin is better, like it's actually very supple, soft, and you know, nice. So I like that. I love Lotus as an Indian brand. It's amazing. I love their moisturizers, I love their sunscreens, I love their whole range, and that's why I went for this video with their Lotus Herbal Gold Kit. This retails for rupees 200, I guess. Yeah, I got it for rupees 250 from Nykaa. Like you can get it even cheaper at Amazon, I guess. So वैसे इसका price 285 है, and I think it's a nice thing. It's a very simple procedure to get your game on for Diwali, Bhaiya Dooj, and all that festive activities. The last question is whether I will purchase this item again or not. It's a big yes. I'm definitely using it. Also, the product comes for like at least 2 times. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक बारी करके ख़त्म हो जाएगा. It's enough कि आप 2 बार यूज़ कर सकते हो, which is like 285 में they are providing good quantity. I liked it. Like it's Mamta proof if anybody cares. So yeah, I like this product. I would recommend this to all my homies out there who are still scared to, you know, go parlor, get a facial done. You can do it by yourself at home for this Diwali. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you like watching it. I hope you get some value out of it. I hope you try this product, and do let me know in the comment section what was your experience like. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'll see you super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I forgot to mention that I'm shooting it the next day, so you can see that, you know, my face is generally not this much shiny. I have not applied any sort of makeup, nothing. It's just pure glow. So this is not a sponsored video. I really like this product and I really want you to try this. So yeah, okay, bye.